Hi everyone, I'm Vijay here from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So one of our students got placed now, so he'll share his experience.
Hi, I am Pradeep. I am from Gulbarga. I completed my BTECH in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Shanghai University with 79%. After my degree, I have joined the PySpiders in the month of June. And first I started with the Python Vijay sir batch and SQL Murali sir batch and
Manual testing by
manual testing Gopi sir and Pradeep sir batch. And after completing the Python and manual batch, I have started with the active server sir batch and Selenium Lakshmi sir batch. And bootcamp mock interviews helped me a lot to get tested in the company.
Super. So how often were you doing boot camps and presentations and everything?
Daily 2 hours from starting the course.
Super. And designation?
My designation is trainee engineer.
Super. Congratulations.
Thanks.